Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Nptel account and verifying the exact exam registration record. This matters because cancellations are tied to that entry. Once logged in, navigate to My Courses, then Exams to confirm the specific exam slot and whether any refund rules apply. Make sure you have your enrollment number, payment transaction ID, and a government ID at hand. These items speed up support interactions and prevent delays when you request cancellation. So gather them before you proceed to the next step. Now you initiate the cancellation through the exam detail page. This is usually under the specific exam entry. Click Cancel or use the Contact Support option. When filling the cancellation form, explain why you are canceling and include enrollment number plus transaction ID so the team can match records quickly. Attach a clear photo of your ID and the payment screenshot. This evidence speeds verification. Once submitted, note the confirmation number or ticket ID, because you will need it if follow-up is required. Finally, you monitor the support ticket and follow up until resolution. Many platforms state a 3-7 business day response window, so check status regularly. Once they reply, confirm whether a refund will be issued, what processing time applies, and whether any cancellation fees or credits are involved. This prevents surprises. If you don't get a timely response, escalate using the ticket ID, call support, reopen the chat, or send a concise message on official social channels. Troubleshooting tip: keep all screenshots and the ticket ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.